Hi, I'll be summarizing the Obesity Working Group's SMART goals. So we set out 8 SMART goals, which are listed here. Our first goal is to support the development of new analysis concept, and we set a target metric here of 3 to 5 new analysis concept submissions during the SMART goals period. In order to facilitate this goal, our full working group meetings include breakout groups, which began over the summer and focused in 3 areas. And each group was then tasked with the development of 1 to 2 new concept proposals submissions. Since developing these groups, 5 have been submitted as a result of these breakout groups, and a number of other contributions of obesity working group members have been discussed in our meetings as well. And so more broadly, this spans 31 obesity-related concepts that have been submitted since September 2020. Of course, our full working group meetings will continue to include discussion of new concept and development and opportunities as well to continue this goal. So we feel like we're on good track on our first goal. This is just a screenshot of the ongoing and new concept submissions since the SMART goals period, with the blue highlighted as a result of these are concept submissions that came out of our breakout groups. Our second and third SMART goals are to facilitate the dissemination of concept and analysis proposals and support our writing teams. So in our full working group meetings, we include updates on obesity-related concepts and analyses. In our September meeting, we also included a general overview of how to go through the step 2 or analysis proposal submission process in order to assist our investigators with how to go about doing this. In terms of progress, since September 2020, 3 obesity-related proposals have had their analysis proposals approved. And then 6 obesity-related concepts that had been newly submitted since September 2020 have moved into phase 2. So they've submitted their analysis proposals, but these have not been approved yet. So again, we feel like we're making good progress towards this goal, or those goals. And our fourth goal is to increase cross-working group collaboration. So we had a joint meeting with the PPP group in August of 2020. We also have several recently submitted concept proposals that really span working groups, and we think will facilitate this collaboration. We also are planning future joint meetings in order to continue our collaboration, which newly began with the PPP group, and then we also plan to extend an invitation to the chemical exposures working group to plan a joint meeting as well. Our fifth SMART goal is to support junior scientist presentations. And so here we're really seeking to provide opportunities for junior scientists involved in ECHO. In terms of progress toward this goal, we have a planned flash talk for our next full working group meeting from an early stage investigator, which will be covering adipocyte hypertrophy and mesenchymal stem cells from infants of mothers with obesity. So we're looking forward to that talk. And we are also planning additional brief presentations from other junior scientists in ECHO, and these are in development. Our sixth SMART goal is to support obesity-related OIF submissions. So we've learned that of 31 OIF LOIs, 9 of these address some aspect of obesity, either as an outcome or exposure. And these include topics related to adiposity, fetal or child growth, or birth weight. And we look forward to inviting OIF awardees who have successfully been funded with obesity-related topics to present at future full working group meetings. So this really cuts across the other of our goal, which is supporting junior scientist engagement as well. Our seventh goal is to support and facilitate the ongoing data harmonization work that is continuing in ECHO. And the obesity working group submitted 5 data harmonization priority areas. These included child adiposity, parental anthropometrics, maternal behaviors, which include diet and physical activity, as well as child behaviors and puberty. Each of these groups has met with their DAC representatives, and in most cases several times, and have really provided a good deal of feedback and prioritization of data elements that were included within these forms. And we believe these harmonization efforts will be really useful, not only for proposals directly addressing obesity-related topics, but also for a much wider array of ongoing work in ECHO. And then finally, our 8th SMART goal is to provide a forum for scientific advancement. So as an example of this, in our past working group meetings, we had some very nice updates on metabolomics and methods for metabolomics. During the current SMART goal period, we just had a wonderful presentation by Ana Maria Segarriz, who gave a talk addressing maternal diet and highlighted a number of opportunities that could be addressed in ECHO. So that was a really wonderful presentation. And we look forward to including additional presentations in the coming months. And again, I think this is another goal that kind of cuts across other goals as well. So these presentations will also support development of new concepts, we think, and also promote collaboration across the ECHO working groups. So we feel like we've been making good progress towards our goals. We've been busy, and we look forward to future work.